left any breakfast? Go look.
Mommy, I don't know where the bag is.
Look around. Why are you being shy? Go! You don't need me, go.
Mommy, I want to look in there.
There's nothing in there.
Can we look?
It's not your room anymore. You don't need to put anything in there. Yard. Yard. Oh, yay! You found one. You want to put it on top of the TV? I think you colored 7 of them, so you have to find 7 eggs.
It covered my hand. Mama.
2.
I remembered I saw one over there.
Is that 3?
I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Daddy, this is the last one. Hey, Daddy, this is the one that I put stickers on.
Oh.
No.
Did you have one more?
I know. Hey, Daddy!
Yay!
Mommy!
Whoa! What's in there? What is it? Open it up and check it out.
Mommy, bubble.
You like bubbles?
Because we ran out of them.
How do you know?
Because I remember.